How to use image focal point on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use an image focal or focusing or the focus point into the Squarespace designed let's say here banners. So we are going to head over squarespace.com, head over the account dashboard, and then we are going to choose the website that we want to put in here. So I'm going to add real quick a section, and this section is going to have a image or a banner. So we're going to have an image. I'm going to select the home page. So this is the home page, as you can see. I'm going to show you here what is the purpose of here the focal point. So as you can see, this is going to be the specific image. It is going to be introducing here this, as you can see, tree, this wooden house. And if I am going to use the mobile view, it is going to have, as you can see, this section a little bit retracted, and also it is going to show up everything in one place. Now, I'm going to use the focal point from this section by clicking on the section and click on edit section. For the background, you can find that we have a focal point. This is the focal point here, and it is going to be focusing on a specific part on the image. This is the circle that it is going to be focusing on what part. If I am going to move it a little bit, it is going to focus into a part, maybe in here, for down, up, or whatever. And maybe on the mobile version, it is going to be, maybe you have put a image that is not going well within here, and you're going to put here some efforts by adjusting the focal point into a specific place, maybe like that, maybe like this, at the top, at the bottom, or whatever. So this is the focal point, as you can see, and how we can customize it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.